In this video, I'm going to go over how to add an item to our inventory system. So for Eagle Browser, you're going to click Inventory, and then you're going to click Inventory Maintenance. Once that comes up, then you're going to find an item in the category this belongs in. So what I mean by that is you're going to look up a SKU number of an item in the same category. So if you're adding something to electrical category, you're going to find, let's say, an LED light bulb first. Or say it's a snack, you're going to add it to the snack category. So what you're first going to do, let's say, for instance, we're going to add this into the snack category. So I'm going to type in snack in description to try to find something in the snack realm. So there's something that's a snack, okay? So you're just going to use this as sort of a platform to add your item. So next thing you're going to do is type in a SKU number here over this one that's available. So first, you're going to have to know the empty SKU number. So I'm going to try to find an empty SKU number. Anytime you add an item, a SKU number should never be a 7-digit. It should be, try to keep it either a 2-digit or a 4-digit number. It should never be more than 4 digits. That way it doesn't conflict with SKU numbers. So I'm just going to try 28. So let me try that one. So 26 is available. I could use that. Or if I want to go with a 4-digit number, I could do 1035 is available, because if you type the 1035 in here and it changes it to a different number, that means 1035 is a manufacturer number, or it can be a UPC number. So that means the actual SKU number is available. But I'm going to find one that's completely available. It's not used at all. So right there, it says on the bottom of the screen right down here, it says this SKU cannot be found in the inventory file. So 1039 is available SKU. Okay, so I'm going to hit F12 and clear that, and I'm going to go back to snack, and I'm going to pull up that snack again, and I think our 1039 was our SKU, so I'll put 1039, and then I'm going to put in the description of the item. So let's say we're receiving Chapel Hill toffee. I misspelled that. Okay, and you could put in here how many ounce package it is. So just say it's 2 ounces. So just a good description of what it is. And then if you have a manufacturer part number, you can put that there. UPC, leave that alone for right now. Sequence, you're going to put in the SKU number. So that same SKU number there, you're going to put there. So 1039. You're going to leave everything else down here the same. Your primary vendor is going to be the vendor that you set up in MVR. So in vendor maintenance, you're going to find that vendor here. You're going to search for that vendor by name and put that in there. And then you have to click Add. And then, which I'm going to do that because I don't have all this information in front of me. So once you hit Add, it's going to clear out everything else. So clear these boxes out. So once you hit Add, then you're going to need to come down here and put in, this will be blank. So you're going to put in 5, if that's how many you have. Or better yet, instead of doing this, you're going to go and receive it through purchasing and receiving. But you could make the change right here if you wanted to. Another thing you're going to do after you hit Add, you're going to click UPC. Just a reminder, you don't want to click change after you type in all this information over the other item. You don't hit change, so it's going to change that previous SKU number that you're using as your foundation. It's going to change it to this information. So you always want to click add. Okay, so after it's added, you're going to click UPC, that hyperlink UPC. It's going to pull this up. And then you're going to type in the UPC off the item into here. So the whole long digits of numbers. You're going to put them all in here. And then once you're done, you're going to click add. And it's going to add it to this, it's going to add a line to this box. Once you're done with that, you hit close, and then that's it. Your item has been loaded. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.